Hey there, superstar! Today, we're going on an starry quest to uncover the secret of the black hole. Is it a space monster that gobbles up everything? Is it a magical tunnel to another galaxy? Or is it just a really grumpy star? Buckle up, grab your cosmic goggles, and let's dive into the wibbly-wobbly, twisty-swisty world of black holes. Alright, first things first, what in the universe is a black hole? Imagine something so heavy, so powerful, that not even light can escape it. That's right, light. The fastest thing ever known. A black hole is a place in space where gravity is so strong, it pulls in everything nearby, even beams of light. That's why it looks completely black. You can't see a black hole directly, because it's invisible. But scientists spot them by watching how stars and light behave around them, like detectives in space. Now, where do these cosmic vacuum cleaners come from? Let's rewind the universe. Black holes are born when massive stars, way bigger than our sun, reach the end of their lives. First, they burn through their fuel like a race car on turbo boost, a massive explosion called a supernova. After the big kaboom, the center of the star collapses in on itself. It squishes and squashes until all the matter is packed into one teeny tiny dot. We call this dot a singularity, the very center of the black hole. It's smaller than a grain of sand, but heavier than several suns combined. Okay, superstars, imagine a cosmic point of no return. That's the event horizon, the boundary around a black hole. If anything crosses this line, it's gone forever. Bye-bye, rocket. Bye-bye, light. Once you pass the event horizon, not even light can find its way back. It's like stepping into a room where the doors vanish behind you. Now, hold on tight, superstars. Because things are about to get weird and wibbly-wobbly, with time. According to a brilliant scientist named Albert Einstein, time near a black hole goes slow. If your best friend zoomed around a black hole in a spaceship and came back, you'd both be very surprised. You might be 80 years old, but they'd still look like a kid. That's called time dilation, and it's a real thing that happens in strong gravity. Whoa! So black holes don't just gobble stuff, they mess with time too. Let's clear something up. Black holes do not roam around space like cosmic vacuum cleaners sucking up everything in sight. In fact, black holes usually just sit in place and wait for things to come too close. Just like gravity on Earth, a black hole's pull only affects things nearby. So, if our sun magically turned into a black hole, don't worry, it won't, Earth would still orbit it just like before. Okay, now for the biggest mystery of all. What's inside a black hole? Nobody really knows. Some scientists think there's a singularity, an infinitely small and dense point. Others believe black holes might be gateways to other universes, or secret tunnels through space-time. Ready to meet the big bosses of black holes? These are called supermassive black holes. They live in the middle of galaxies, including our Milky Way. There's one at the heart of our galaxy named Sagittarius A star. It's millions of times heavier than the Sun, and it helps hold our galaxy together like a giant cosmic magnet. Since we can't visit black holes, too dangerous, how do we know so much? With the help of powerful space telescopes. These magical machines snap pictures of glowing gas and stars near black holes, showing us where the action is. In 2019, scientists even captured the first real image of a black hole's shadow. It was a historic space moment, like taking a selfie of a shadow in space. Black holes have also starred in movies and books. From Interstellar to Doctor Who, they've fired up imaginations for decades. Some stories show them as time machines. Others turn them into scary villains. But now you know the real deal. Black holes aren't monsters. They're mysterious marvels of the universe. So, let's review this mind-bending, star-spinning adventure. Black holes form when giant stars collapse. They're invisible, but powerful. Their gravity is so strong that even light can't escape. Time slows down near them. They sit still unless you wander too close. And some are gigantic and help hold galaxies together. And you, superstar, now know the awesome truth about black holes. Keep dreaming. Keep learning. And keep looking up, because space is full of wonders waiting just for you. Smash that like button like a shooting star. Subscribe for more space-tastic adventures.